जिंदगी के दुख जो दिए मेरे करीब ने, जिंदगी के दुख जो दिए मेरे करीब ने, मैं कैसे जाऊं भूल, कैसे जाऊं भूल उस दर्द को, कैसे माफ करूं उन सब को, कैसे जाऊं भूल उस दर्द को, कैसे करूं माफ उन सब को। पर आई लहर उनके महर की, जब से सुनी बाबा की वाणी, पर आई लहर उनके महर की, जब से सुनी बाबा की वाणी, कि ऐ मेरी बच्ची नादान, ओ मेरी रोशनी नादान, माफी ही है सबसे बड़ा दान, सबसे बड़ा दान। Namaste soul friends, this is Roshni Shanaz and a warm welcome to you all for our podcast Zindagi Rocks, Season 1, the Karma series. The last line of the above couplet are inspired by Meher Baba's single line quote that always stuck to me, that forgiveness is the biggest charity. So let's see how karma truly intertwines with the act of forgiveness. Today we shall explore the concept of karmic forgiveness and the release of karmic debts through acts of forgiveness and compassion. Karma, often misunderstood just as a system of divine retribution, is not just about punishment, but rather a natural consequence of our choices. Choices of intentions, thoughts, words, and deeds, and the subsequent effect these have on people who are at the receiving end of the so-called good or the so-called bad from us. Our entire lifetimes go in the vicious cycle of unforgiving expressions and creating unforgiving experiences for ourselves and others. Now, how do we break free from this sticky cycle of forgiveness? To do that, let's delve into the power of forgiveness. When we hold on to resentment, anger, or bitterness, we are essentially chaining ourselves to the power of the past that is holding us. This negative energy can weigh us down, hindering our growth, finances, health, and happiness. Forgiveness, on the other hand, is a liberating act. It's not about condoning the wrongdoings of others, but rather about releasing the emotional burden that you carry in the bargain. It's about letting go of the desire for cursing or wanting revenge and opting for peace and understanding that all is happening due to our karmic contracts that we have got forward in each birth. Karma, as shared earlier, isn't about just punishment. It's a law about balance and growth that ensures that we reap what we sow, whether in a particular lifetime or another. By forgiving, you break the cycle of negativity. You sever the karmic ties that bind you with the past, allowing you to move forward with a lighter heart, a tranquil soul, and a clear mind. It's a conscious choice to let go of the pain, to release the hurt, and to embrace peace. It is to accept the lessons that the episodes or people have got us, because those are the very reasons why we manifested those turbulent storms. Forgiveness isn't always easy. It may require time, patience, understanding, courage, and compassion. But the rewards, trust me, are immeasurable. It's a choice worth making. I made it too. By forgiving, we not only heal ourselves, but also contribute to the healing of the world, because we are ultimately one consciousness, a tiny thread in the large woven fabric of life. When you forgive, you will feel a weight lifted off your shoulders, heart, and soul. The burden of the past will be released. You will realize that holding on to anger was only hurting you. Forgiveness will set you free. When we forgive, we open ourselves up to love, compassion, and empathy. we cultivate a more positive mindset and strengthen our relationships with others. Forgiveness is essential for our own mental and emotional well-being. It can reduce stress, anxiety, and depression. The journey could start with simple self-awareness. We need to recognize the negative emotions we are holding on to. Then we can start to slowly let go of those emotions, one step at a time. Meditation, journaling, chanting, and spiritual or conventional therapies can be helpful tools. So the next time you find yourself holding on to resentment, remember the power of forgiveness. It's not just about letting go of the past, but also about creating a brighter future, a space that is so sacred with all purity in your heart. By choosing forgiveness, we can liberate ourselves from the chains of karma and experience the true meaning of spiritual freedom. By understanding the law of cause and effect and practicing forgiveness, you can create a more positive and fulfilling life, free from the chains that were once binding you and weighing you down, as I said earlier. I thank you for listening to my podcast, and I sincerely hope that you have been finding them insightful. If you have any questions or comments, or have anything that you want to ask me or clarify, please feel free to reach out. To know more about life, spirituality, or seek guidance, take coaching, mentoring, healing, and other transformation sessions with me, connect through my website roshnishanaz.com or through social media @RoshniShanaz. For speaker assignments and collaborations, email on info@roshnishanaz.com. Until our next episode, you know what to do. Live in awareness of your intentions, thoughts, words, and actions. Stay blessed always in super duper Godspeed. Jai Baba.
Whether it was the high-flying time while I was at the top in the media world, for over 2 decades, loving all the glamour of an on-the-rocks life but bina piye, or coming to a rock bottom after my life-death illness, मैं friends पूरे विश्वास और शुक्र से कह सकती हूँ that I deeply believe that ज़िंदगी rocks. So welcome to my podcast with me, Roshni Shanaz, your spiritual fellow journeyer. जो मुझे नहीं जानते, let me tell you, nothing has been easy. I've lived through life-altering moments, emerging with the resilience of a phoenix that fuels my journey. मैंने लाइफ की ऊंचाइयां भी देखी है और डरावनी खाई भी. And yet, कर्मा को कुछ और ही मंजूर था. So when I was at the top wanting to direct a film, God ने मेरे लाइफ की स्क्रिप्ट ही बदल दी and made me leave everything to follow my spiritual calling. जिंदगी rocks. इस पॉडकास्ट के पहले सीजन में I shall share with you all about karma and spirituality through 15 different aspects on how karma works. संस्काराज क्या है, पुश्तैनी कर्मा क्या होता है, and much more that you have always been curious about. तो चलिए जानते हैं कुछ बातों का मतलब और करते हैं कुछ मतलब की बातें. क्या मतलब? Stay tuned, stay blessed in love and light and super duper Godspeed.